Hey, so stands for Pharmaceutical Industry Liaison Loop. It's our school's industry-oriented organization. We're not affiliated with any of the big organizations, so that's why we're a smaller club. We have cheaper membership fees, and we have a lot of fun events for everyone. So we are not really focused as much on outreaches. We do have some outreach events such as Pharmacy Day and Triton Day, but for the most part, we're really focused on bringing networking events to you guys and workshops and just introducing all the pharmacy students to pharmaceutical industry so that you can be aware of the other opportunities out there, some non-traditional career paths. So in terms of pharmaceutical industry, we bring in speakers from big companies. Nearby we have Pfizer, where we get a lot of speakers from. They also have a fellowship program. So we do like to bring in fellowships because as a P4, you have the option to apply to residencies or fellowships, or you can just go straight to a job after graduating. But fellowships are an alternative that you can consider. Every year we tend to have about 1 or 2 students from the graduating class go into fellowship or go into industry. So it is a career path that people from Skaggs can choose. So our club is really just about bringing more awareness for industry. You're welcome to come and visit. We have good food. We try not to have pizza all the time. And we have all kinds of speakers. Even if you don't want to do industry in the future, it's a good way to get exposure to the field.
I'm Yasmin.
And I'm Evan.
So I guess the question was, why did we join PIL? And I think coming into pharmacy school, I had a lot of experience working in a hospital. So I interned for like 2 years in a hospital, and I worked as a scribe for a year. And I also had a lot of experience working in retail pharmacy, but I didn't have any exposure to industry. I had no idea what industry was. It was just something that was kind of cool to say. Like if someone asked me, what were you gonna do after pharmacy school? I was like, oh, I'm gonna go to industry, because it just sounded really cool. But I think I joined it just to learn more about the field, and I think even if I don't end up going into industry, it's really important to know what's going on in other fields of pharmacy.
Yeah, I kind of felt similarly. I didn't have any direct experience in industry, but I had a couple friends working in it, and they really spoke positively of their experiences. And I liked the PIL events that I went to this year, so I really tried to be as involved as possible. They had a lot of lectures. It would start with kind of a formal PowerPoint or whatever, and then afterwards we would just chat. And I think getting to talk with people working in the industry is the strongest way to figure out if you want to, maybe work with them one day, and if they can just tell you like their general experience. So especially the talks from Dr. Pasick and Dr. Lamb, and just general fellowship information, because all the residency info and fellowship application process is really complicated. So it's good to know.